Welcome to Monkey Buds. Prepare for an unforgettable experience. In our lobby, you'll find a leaderboard displaying who's in your session. We offer various game modes, including Nextbots, to keep things exciting. You can also explore our rules and credits. Enhance your gaming experience through the settings menu, where you can customize your preferences. Additionally, there's a computer terminal where you can change your name, color, and switch servers. We also have an update log on a board where you can check out the latest updates and improvements to the game. Behind the lobby, we have a shop where you can spend your credits on cool items. You earn 5 credits per day to use in the shop. So what are you waiting for? Download Monkey Buds on AppLab now and dive into the horror. Now let the fun begin. Let's watch some real horror instead of watching lame other fan games.